Welcome everyone. This week we are introduced to learning resources and technologies that one may use for pedagogical purposes that facilitate learning in learning environments. The Web 2.0 tool that I have selected and will explore is Zoho CRM that can be accessed via this website zoho.com/meeting. Once you sign in, you will be directed to this particular page over here where you've got the home, got meetings, webinars, recordings, and the settings. And there are various things in the settings that you may see over here. However, in this case over here, it's a very short video, so we'll concentrate on meetings. There are meetings over here that you can set up as well. So if I go back to home, then this is where I can set up a meeting. Now, when you are creating meeting, there are two kinds of meetings that you can select for, whether you want an audio conferencing or you want a video conferencing. Now, of course, knowing that in the Pacific, there is a problem always with the internet speed. The bandwidth is usually not good. So it's up to the user to decide whether they want to use audio conferencing or video conferencing. And then they can schedule a meeting using this particular layout over here. Right? And then once they lay out the meeting, everything in regards to the meeting will be given. You'll be given a link, you'll be given a password as well, which if you want the students can use, they can use that as well, so as to avoid unnecessary people coming into the meeting. Okay, so this is an example of how what happens when you create a meeting. You can copy the link and share it, you can copy the invitation, or you can send email to as well from the list that you have. The meeting ID and password is given over here. Right. This is the setup page that you can actually look for Zoho. There is so many things that we can explore over here. There's multiple things that we can look over here. I'm pretty new to this as well, and I'm right now trying to learn the different tools that are embedded within Zoho which I can use. Right. Now, in addition to that, please note that you can also create webinars in here. Okay. You can also create webinars, right? You can schedule a webinar. The details on how to schedule a webinar is given over here, right? Who the webinar is engaged for, right? Or who are the target people? How to register, right? The emails, preferences, etc. You can also promote this. That means if you want to reach a larger audience, you can also do that. Now I am pretty new to Zoho as well, and I'm learning things over here. As I learn new things, I will update via blog post, etc. Thank you so much for listening. Vinaka.